observe. So the shutters are on. I'm painting the windows as well, plus the window frames. And yeah, shutters are in. I managed to use some toilet cleaner to remove the oxidation from the copper. I put the hinges up. That's how they look. I put the inox screws in them. Okay. And yeah, so I have 11 more to go, but this is the end of the video. There you go. That's how it looks from here outside. Anyway, so what is Torre? So what is the lesson of this video? Well, first of all, you don't have to buy new stuff. You can always repair things. Second of all, always read the tin before you apply it. Third of all, always make sure that the preparations are thoroughly done and spend more time prepping and filling and making sure that the underlying layer is ready than you think you need. And yeah, I think that's all for this project. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for joining me for this 3-episode series. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. I sure did. Yeah, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.